Let's spend a few minutes relaxing and visualising an eye mask. That wonderful feeling when you're tired, sometimes heavy and achy eyes need a little bit of soothing, of easing. We forget that they're muscles and they get tired. Maybe sometimes you get headaches through sore eyes or strains, or you just feel you get to that certain time in the day when you naturally want to rub your eyes and soothe them because there's been a lot of reading or concentration or just a busy day. So get into your comfortable position. If it feels good, close your eyes and start to do your relaxation breathing. In through your nose and sigh out through your mouth. Or deep breath in through your nose and out through your nose. Feel your neck relax. Feel your shoulders come down. Feel everything start to ease. Weights are lifted away. Draw attention to your face. Are your teeth clenched? Is your jaw tight? If so, consciously relax those areas. And if you need to, you can leave a little gap so that your teeth aren't touching each other and your mouth is gently resting open. How do your eyes feel? Are they clenched? Are they screwed? Is your brow furrowed? If so, take a moment just to raise your eyebrows and let them relax and deactivate that muscle. You can squeeze those eyelids and relax. Furrow that brow and relax. And just think about easing off all the tension in the face. If it feels good, you can stretch your neck, bring your chin to your chest, and then gently release backwards, only as far as it feels comfortable. And after a few times, you can move gently from left to right and do full circles, easing off any tightness and tension in that neck. Now bring your attention back to your eyes. If it feels good, you can take both palms of your hands, hold them together so that you can feel the heat generating between both hands. And after a minute or two, or sooner, when it feels that there's enough heat there, gently place your palms over your eyes, not pressing too firmly, but allowing the heat generated from your hands to gently dissipate into the muscles in the eye area. Feels warm, soothing, releasing, calming, gentle, very comforting. You may feel that the heat helps you to relax any tension and tightness in that eye area. Might even make you feel sleepy. You might want to hold it there or change position of your palms to work into different areas of that eye area. Move about the socket. Maybe even raise the eyebrows slightly using the fingertips. A gentle raise, nothing too heavy, don't pull. And then release. You can bring your hands away from your face. Gently place your two palms together. Let's do it again. We're creating our own hand mask with our own hands to replace what would be an eye mask. And it feels wonderful. And it means that you'll never need an eye mask when you've got your own hands. Your tools are always available. So when it feels warm enough again, bring your hands back to your eyes. Place your palms over the eye area, trapping that heat, feeling warm. Allowing that warmth to soothe and ease those muscles. Relaxing into the moment, enjoying the sensations. Feeling those eyes, soothing and listening. Those muscles are thanking you for this. Again, if you want to gently stretch out those eyebrows, you can. Nice and relaxed. And when it feels enough, you can bring your hands down again. This time by the side of your body. And you're going to spend the next few moments relaxing and enjoying the sensations of this soothing, calming relaxation. Your eyes feel wonderful. You feel relaxed. Enjoy this moment.